What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech TRX back in our video, and today we're looking at the Anker C200 webcam. Here. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit the notification bell so you can be notified of the next videos, come up tips and tricks, and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. Hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what the C200 can do. Basically, it says here in the back that it has 2K HD resolution up to 30 frames per second. It also has a 95-degree field of view. It has an automatic low light compensation. It has a built-in privacy cover as well. And it has a couple of mics for that AI stereo mic. So let's go ahead and open this up and see how well it does. Here we go. So the packaging is fairly nice here. Has this little cover that tells you how to download the Anker Work software. Quick manual right here. A cable as well. USB-C to USB-A, as you can see there. And then the C200 right here. So here is the webcam right here. Fairly small. On the back, it has a USB-C slot. So as you can see there at the front, it has a cover, the orange one, for privacy. The top has a little lever that opens it up like so. That's really awesome. There it is. And then this bottom opens up like so. So that you can mount it on your computer monitor or on your laptop. It also has this top right here that sits in front of your monitor. And the bottom of this also has a tripod mount if you want to mount it. It has a couple of mics at the front here as well. A couple of mics right there. That's really it. Let's go ahead and test this out on our MacBook Air M1. Let's see how well it does. So here's the Anker Work software. We're just going to download the Mac version of it. Once it's all done, we're going to drag it to our applications, and that's really it. Let's open up the software now. So here's the software. You'll be able to change settings here, where you can set up different resolutions as well, from 360, 720, 1080, or 2K. You can also change the angle, pretty much zooming it in from 65, 78, and 95. I don't know how they come up with those numbers, but those are like just if you zoom in or not. There's also the anti-flicker, 50 Hz or 60 Hz. Here you can also change the brightness, sharpness, saturation, and contrast ratio to whatever you want. I find that the camera is also more on the warm side, so on the auto white balance I turned it off, and I kind of set it to a bit cooler tone. And there's also the horizontal flip. Now the next setting is pretty cool. You can change the direction of the mic, pickup mode. There's the omnidirection in the directional. We're gonna test that out later if it's any good or not, or if there's even a difference. And last but not least, they have this what's your setup kind of thing here, where you can choose from fixed, flexible, or the world is my workplace. Pretty much you get to choose what kind of workspace you have, and they'll give you kind of suggestions on what's the best camera, webcam, or conference mic or headphones for this kind of setup. Let's open up OBS now, and let's set up the C200 connected here. I'm just gonna put the C200 right there and hit OK. We're also gonna set the mic to the C200. So what's happening, guys? This is the test for that C200 by Anker. Let me know in the comments below if it's any good or not. This is also the mic test. I've set it up with my MacBook Air M1 via OBS, and this is what the mic would sound like. I also have the mic omnidirection 180 degrees. I'm gonna go behind and see if you could still hear me. Okay everyone, this is the test. Right behind, about 4 feet away from the camera. Let me know in the comments below if it's any good or not, if you can still hear me. Again, this is the omnidirectional C200 mic test. So there's that. Now we're gonna change the directional and change the mic to the 90-degree pickup here. Let's see how well it does. So right now, let me know in the comments below if it's any good or not. We are now in a 90-degree directional mic pickup. Let me know in the comments below if it's any good or not, if it's better than the other one. I'm gonna go behind again and see if you can hear me better or not. In this case, because it's directional, you shouldn't hear me as well as the other one. So meaning it helps when you have a conference. With the Omni, it helps when there's multiple people in the room. You'll be able to hear everyone. But with the directional, if you don't want everyone to be heard during your conference or during your calls, during your meetings, then the directional mic is better. So let's test this out. So we're gonna go behind again and see how well it does. So here it is, everyone. This is a test of the omnidirectional, same spot, about 4 feet away behind the camera. Let me know if you can hear me or if the mic's still picking up my voice. Again, this is the test for the directional 90-degree mic for the Anker 200, C200. Since we're looking at 2K cameras, here's another option from Anker. We're looking at the Anker B600 video bar webcam. This is a 2K camera with 4 mics. We're gonna open this up and we're gonna test it out and let's see how well it does. Here we go. Says there, Anker Work, work your way. Let's open this up right here. Packaging is really nice as well. Nice little soft cover up here. It has an instruction manual. It has some accessories as well, like USB-C to USB-C cable. Different sockets as well if you're traveling. See there, power adapter. The camera right there as well. Let's look at the camera here. As you can see here, this cloth material is very nice all the way around. This part has an angle for mounting it and it swivels around as well. There it is. The bottom as well. This lip just goes on top of your monitor. Tripod mount on the bottom and it has this grip as well. On the back, it has 3 different ports. USB-A port right there. USB-C, a couple of them right there. I believe one power it up and then the other one will connect to your computer. The front here, big surprise, boom! Acts as a cover, but it is a light bar as well right there. It has a 2K camera, HD camera right there as well. And it has 4 mics as well. Using the same software here, we have the B600 setup. And you can change different resolutions here and also angle frames, which is really cool. They have 360, 720, 1080, and 2K here. They also have a frame up to 95 degrees and also the solo frame. In the same way, you can change the image settings, brightness, sharpness, saturation, and contrast ratio. And then you could do the horizontal flip as well. Next addition here, of course, is the light settings where you could change the brightness, color, temperature. You can have it always on or the automatic light adjustment. Automatic light adjustment is really cool actually because it does it for you, so you don't have to do much. It'll adjust on how bright and how dark your room is. On the light itself, there's a few touch controls. Like on the side here is a mute button. As you can see there, it turns red. That means it's mute. And then there's a slider here for how bright your light is, which is really cool. And then that side if you want to turn on or off the light really quickly. And as I said, everyone, we got the B600 on top of our MacBook Air M1 right now. And we're testing it out. This is the mic test as well because we have it set up so that the B600 is the mic coming into this. Let me know in the comments below if it's any good or not. I would definitely recommend this for people who wants a 2K camera. This is definitely better than the FaceTime camera that comes with the MacBook Air M1. Mind you, I have the Generation 1 MacBook Air M1. And that's it for today, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new 2K webcam with a light bar up top and choice on a brand new 2K HD webcam. This one is the C200. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. Make sure to subscribe to my channel to see more videos like these. Make sure to hit the like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.